Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm taking you on a serene journey to the beautiful Sangeet temple located on the outskirts of Hyderabad. If you're ever in the city, this is a place you absolutely must visit. It's not just the architecture but the peaceful and nature-friendly environment that makes this temple a hidden gem. Let's dive into the details. Sangi Temple is situated around 35 kilometers from Hyderabad, nestled in the lush green hills of Sangi Nagar. As you drive up, the first thing that hits you is the serenity of the area. You're surrounded by greenery, and the fresh air just makes you feel calm, as though you're stepping away from the hustle and bustle of city life. The temple stands tall on the hilltop, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. It's the perfect blend of nature and spirituality. Now, let's talk about the significance of this temple. Sangi Temple is dedicated to Lord Venkateswara, one of the forms of Lord Vishnu, who is widely worshipped across southern India. Lord Venkateswara is known as the preserver of the universe, and devotees come here seeking blessings for prosperity and peace. The temple is a replica of the famous Tirumal Tirupati temple and attracts pilgrims who are unable to visit Tirupati itself. That's why it holds a special place in the hearts of devotees. The temple also houses smaller shrines dedicated to various other deities such as Lord Shiva, Goddess Parvati, and Lord Ganesha, making it a holistic religious destination for Hindus. The spiritual importance of the temple is immense, with thousands of devotees visiting throughout the year to seek blessings and offer prayers. The temple's architecture is another marvel. Constructed in the Chola Chalukya style, it stands 15 feet tall and is adorned with intricate carvings. The main deity, Lord Venkateswara, is housed in a beautifully crafted inner sanctum. As you walk into the temple, the sheer artistry and devotion that went into building it leave you in awe. There are smaller shrines dedicated to various other deities as well, including Lord Ganesha, Goddess Lakshmi, and Lord Shiva. Beyond being a place of worship, Sangi Temple also holds cultural importance. Many locals visit the temple for religious festivals, weddings, and special ceremonies. Major Hindu festivals such as Brahmotsavam, Diwali, and Vaikuntha Ekadashi are celebrated with great enthusiasm here. The temple's tranquil environment is perfect for meditation and reflection, allowing visitors to connect with their spiritual side. But what really sets Sangeet Temple apart is its peaceful atmosphere. Whether you're here for a religious experience or simply to take in the beauty of the surroundings, the temple offers a sense of calm that's hard to describe. With birds chirping in the background and the occasional rustle of trees in the wind, it's easy to lose yourself in the serenity of the moment. I found myself just sitting quietly, soaking in the beauty and tranquility of the place. For those of you planning a visit, getting here is quite easy. You can take a car or taxi from Hyderabad, and it's about an hour's drive from the city. The best time to visit is either early in the morning or just before sunset, as you'll avoid the heat and get to enjoy some spectacular views. The temple is open to all, but remember to respect the local customs and dress appropriately. In conclusion, Sangi Temple is more than just a religious spot, it's a retreat for the soul. Whether you're coming to seek blessings or simply to enjoy a peaceful day surrounded by nature, the temple offers something for everyone. I highly recommend that if you're in Hyderabad, make sure to add this to your itinerary. You won't regret it. Thanks for joining me on this virtual tour of Sangeet Temple. If you haven't already, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps me bring more exciting content for you all. Today, let's talk about something close to my heart, our temples and their significance. Temples are not just places of worship, they are gateways to our roots, our heritage, and the ancient wisdom passed down through generations. Each visit is a reminder of who we are and where we come from. In a world that's moving fast, it's easy to forget the simple joys of connecting with our traditions. But when you step into a temple, you're stepping into a space of peace, reflection, and deep cultural connection. Temples are places where we find a balance between spirituality and community, a place to reconnect with both our inner self and our history. Visiting temples not only nurtures the soul but also allows us to understand the importance of preserving these sacred spaces. So, I encourage you all to take some time to explore the temples around you, appreciate their architecture, learn their stories, and connect with the divine. Together, let's keep our traditions alive by visiting these temples and passing on their significance to the next generation.